During the pandemic, many of us got used to taking COVID-19 tests at home, but those aren't the only tests people are buying and taking on their own. A national poll out of the University of Michigan found the use of medical tests are on the rise. Whether you buy them in a pharmacy or online, there are a wide range of at-home tests, from urinary tract infection, HIV, colon cancer, food sensitivity, and of course, COVID-19. A new University of Michigan national poll on healthy aging, supported in part by AARP, finds that nearly half of adults over 50 have bought at-home medical tests, and 82% say they would take one again. If you decide to buy one, Dr. Jeff Colgren, who led the U of M poll, says make sure to share the results with your healthcare provider.
If somebody's experiencing a symptom that they decide that they want to have an at-home medical test to try to figure out what might be causing it, that test may or may not show an answer for what is exactly causing that symptom. And that's why it's so important that if one is having an at-home medical test, to talk about that with one's healthcare provider so that you can together figure out what may be causing that symptom and what can be done about it.
Unfortunately, according to the poll, only 55% of those who took at-home tests talk with their doctor. It's important to know that at-home tests are not always regulated by the government. Here's how to find out if your test is.
You can figure this out by looking at the packaging on the at-home medical test, and you can also go to the FDA website where there's a searchable database of at-home medical tests. It's really important if you're considering purchasing and using an at-home medical test to pay close attention to this information to ensure you get the most valid and reliable results possible.
Also, be sure to follow instructions carefully. Not doing so makes it more likely the test could yield an unreliable result. And Colgren says he expects the trend of at-home medical tests to not only continue, but expand into other medical conditions.